Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I'm delighted to be here today at the World Women Economic and Business Summit 2024. Malaysia has long acknowledged that our national prosperity has been achieved because of the many contributions of all its citizens, regardless of gender. Our nation's dedication to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, particularly Goals 5, 4, 5, and 8, being quality education, gender equality, and decent work and economic growth, reflects our holistic approach in creating a more equitable and prosperous society. In Malaysia, we have achieved near universal primary education, with enrollment rates passing 98% for both boys and girls. The focus has now shifted to ensuring quality secondary and tertiary education for all. Women now constitute over 60% of our university students, a testament to our commitment to educational quality. We have also implemented targeted programs to encourage girls' participation in STEM fields, recognizing the importance of these skills in the rapidly evolving global economy. Our Girls in STEM initiative has seen a 30% increase in female enrollment in these subjects over the past 5 years. Our country has made significant legislative and policy advancement relating to gender equality. We have strengthened laws against gender-based discrimination and sexual harassment, ensuring safer workplaces and public spaces for women. Our Women in Leadership program has also successfully increased female representation in corporate boardrooms from 16% in 2017 to 28% today, with a target of 30% by the year 2025. Moreover, we have expanded parental leave policies and improved childcare facilities, recognizing that work-life balance is crucial for women's professional advancement. Malaysia has also prioritized women's economic empowerment. Our microfinance programs have provided over 500,000 women entrepreneurs with the capital and training needed to start and grow their businesses. The Digital Divas initiative has equipped 100,000 women with digital skills, enabling them to thrive in the gig economy and e-commerce sectors. We have also focused on reducing the gender pay gap. Our Equal Pay for Equal Work campaign has raised awareness and prompted many businesses to review and rectify their compensation structures. While we acknowledge these achievements, we acknowledge that our journey is far from over. Challenges remain among marginalized communities, but we are committed to leaving no woman behind as we progress towards our goal. As we look towards the future, Malaysia is setting ambitious targets that will propel us further along the path of gender equality and women's empowerment. Some of these goals and the strategies being implemented to achieve them include achieving 100% secondary school completion rates for girls by 2030, increasing women's representation in Parliament to 30% by 2028, reducing the gender pay gap to less than 5% by 2030, and ensuring that 40% of senior management positions are held by women by 2035. Together, we can create a Malaysia where every girl completes her education, where women's voices are equally represented in our highest decision-making bodies, where equal work receives equal pay, and where women lead our organizations in equal measure to men. To achieve these goals, we need collaborative efforts from all sectors of society. And I call upon everyone, leaders, entrepreneurs, and change-makers, to join in this noble pursuit. Let us work together to build a world where every woman and girl can reach her full potential. In education, Malaysia stands as one of many regional leaders, but even so, many improvements are still very much needed. Malaysia's journey towards gender equality and women's empowerment is our own, shaped by our diverse society and cultural values. While we celebrate our achievements, we must learn from others, including from our Southeast Asian neighbors. And as we move forward, it is important to learn from best practices around the world, adapting them to our local context and developing innovative solutions that address our own unique challenges. Through this approach, we hope to create a model of women's empowerment that is distinctively Malaysian, yet globally relevant. In conclusion, while we acknowledge the progress made by nations around the world, we in Malaysia are focused on charting our own path towards gender equality. Though we're proud of our achievements, we know we face many challenges ahead. With the continued dedication of all Malaysians, I'm confident that we will not only meet our ambitious targets, but we will also establish Malaysia as a global leader in women's empowerment and gender equality. I would like to thank everyone who is attending this summit. May our collective efforts lead to a more equitable and prosperous future for all women, not only in Malaysia, but also around the world. Thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.